We have great new versions of 3 products that are absolutely central to our platform. They help you commission, power, and integrate networks every day. To give us all the details, let's head over and hear from Daniel.
Very excited to introduce an update to the ever-faithful PC node. This is a device that just about every commissioning engineer knows and loves well. It is a device which they are incredibly dependent upon. An update to this device has been really important as we need to keep ourselves moving forward with the way that they're connecting to the computers, but also with the drivers, and making sure that we're removing as many of the unnecessary accessories as possible. The updated PC node we have in our bright yellow Dynalite colour. We have made it now so it is USB-C with the screw terminals to make sure that there is no accidental disconnection. The device now has 4 anchor points that can be used for cable ties, securing it to AV racking or whatever the case may be for the site. It still supports our pluggable Dynalite connector, so if you want to be able to make it for a permanent installation, that is available. We've built into the device RJ12s and RJ45 connectors, allowing for direct connection of the cable. One of the big things that we're very happy to introduce is our commissioning dingus. So typically when a commissioning engineer needs to get access to the network, they will do this through one of the user interfaces. Now, when they pull out the network connection, they can push into the commissioning dingus and then reconnect the existing network. This allows them now to connect in their PC node and have connection to both the user interface they disconnected as well as the rest of the network. This allows for a much more streamlined way of connecting to the network without leaving any network devices out during the commissioning stage. Another device that we're updating is our 232 passive gateway. So this is a device which is very useful for connecting to AV systems, blind systems, HVAC systems or security systems which are using RS-232 communication, and we need to bring this to our RS-45 Dynalite communication. It is a passive device, so there's nothing active inside. It'll just do straight through communication, but it's always been a very reliable unit and we are constantly finding ways that it can be used to integrate into various third-party systems. Additionally, we're updating our network power supply. So this is the DDNP1501. It's been a very popular network power supply for us. This allows us to meet a lot of project specifications that are coming out requiring that all network devices are from the same manufacturer. This network power supply has had its voltage increased, so it used to be from 100 to 240, it now goes to 277, allowing it for use within UL markets. So it has received its UL certification, which means it's been externally tested, making sure it's meeting incredibly high and stringent safety and quality standards. We've always had feedback that these devices have the same quality and longevity as they expect from other Dynalite devices, allowing for the device to be able to match expectations of quality and performance. Additionally, we've included an RJ12 connection on the top. So this allows for the commissioning teams to connect their PC node straight to the top of the unit without having to remove the covering from the distribution board. This is a safe connection that is SELV, but still provides network power, allowing for the powering of the PC node. This will bring a huge advantage to commissioning teams that are requiring to connect to the network system without having to find an electrical contractor to allow them access to the distribution board. Thank you.